The front seats in your Genesis GV60 can be adjusted manually by using the control switches located on the outside of the seat cushion. Before adjusting your seating position, be sure the vehicle is in park and the parking brake is set. For forward and rearward adjustment of the entire seat, push this control switch. To tilt the seat cushion, pull or press the front portion of this switch in a vertical fashion. To adjust the overall height of the seat, pull or press the rear portion of the same switch in a vertical fashion. The seat back angle is adjusted by pressing this button towards the front or rear. To adjust the seat lower cushion extension, push this switch forward or rearward. The same button can raise or lower the seat cushion support by pressing up or down. The lumbar support has 4 directions of adjustment in a single button. To increase the arch of the lumbar support, press this side of the button. To decrease, press this side of the button. The height of the lumbar can be adjusted by pressing here to increase and here to decrease. Some models may be equipped with a seat side bolster adjustment feature. To adjust the seat side bolsters, turn the lever clockwise to tighten the bolster and counterclockwise to widen. Some GV60 models may be equipped with a driver's side ergo motion seat featuring comfortable stretch, smart posture assist, and smart support. To adjust these features, press Setup, Vehicle, and then Seat. After driving for approximately 1 hour, Smart Posture Assist automatically adjusts the cushion and back portion of the driver's seat for comfort relief. Smart Support allows the driver's seat bolster to provide increased support when the Sport driving mode is selected or when driving at high speed. Comfortable Stretch is a function that relieves the fatigue off of the driver's lower back and pelvis area. By pressing this button, it will cycle through the various functions in the order of pelvic stretch, lumbar stretch, full body stretch, and off. The integrated memory system allows up to 2 driver's seat position settings to be saved per driver profile. To begin using this feature, ensure the vehicle is in park with the parking brake set and the vehicle in the on position. When the desired seating position has been set, press and hold the Set button on the driver's door to save the position to memory. You should then receive an audio alert as well as a confirmation message on the infotainment screen. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.